Hi, I'm Webb Beagle from KeenOnTheMarket.com and AlphaChark.com. I'm here to talk to you today about AlphaTracker, our newest indicator. It picks up on unusual volume activity where we can see big money coming in and placing large orders on stock volume, and it picks this up automatically. I wanted to talk today about Baker Hughes and Halliburton, where we actually had news coming in today that there could be some headwinds and antitrust issues with the merger. And I wanted to point out a couple of things that AlphaTracker saw on this. Now, we saw, of course, there was a halt and we sold off hard. One thing that's worth noting is in the middle of the evening, or rather, I'm sorry, this is just pre-market, uh, an unusual order for the pre-market time frame for BHI, a seller of 3,800 shares of Baker Hughes pre-market. Throughout the day, not much movement, some buyers coming in, 34,000, et cetera. And then right here, again, another unusual order of 229,000 shares. And if we actually look at where that is, and you can see my line down below as I draw it up, this is where that happened. On this bar right here, AlphaTracker actually picked up a large sell order ahead of the big sell-off. So if I had this on my charts and I was watching it, I could know, hey, this is unusual. Maybe I could anticipate a sell-off coming in BHI, and well, there you go. We sold off very, very significantly from 60 down to 52 just 10 minutes later. There was a halt there um, as everything kind of shook out. We can also see these lines here, and what they are is they're drawn whenever someone comes in and draws a significant defensive line using these large orders. And we can see back on this day, this was Monday, a large sell order creating a defensive line that we traded around, a large buy order, more sell orders, just kind of chopping back and forth. So that's what those lines are. When we cross below them, uh, from the top side we cross below, it's a good short signal, of course. And if I'm long for a retrace, where I can expect it to stop is at those lines, and that's exactly what happened today. So as it retraced from this large sell-off, we had the resistance right at those lines, and that's what AlphaTracker provides. It's also worth looking at Halliburton. Another thing that AlphaTracker picked up on was a very significant sell. This is all in the extended hours trading from the close of the market yesterday into today. We saw 2.2 million shares of Halliburton sold on the close yesterday, which it noted as unusual. And not to mention that later, around 6:20 p.m. Eastern, 43,500 shares also sold. Again, unusual. More selling last night around 7:45. So did somebody know about this ahead of time? Very much perhaps so. Also selling on the open, about 373,000. We did rally a bit, and then again we crossed below this line and we retraced to the long side. Where did we find resistance? Right here where AlphaTracker drew the resistance line. We did come up a little bit above that, but the line was already there, and that line was established. Yeah, on the close. That was the sell order on the close. So just thought I would share that with you. Some really interesting stuff coming out of this new indicator. And if you're interested in it, check out the link below, and hope you have great trading. Thanks very much. Bye.